A hearty welcome to everyone. Hi, I am Ashwin, currently pursuing BE Agriculture Engineering in SNS College of Technology, Saravanampatti, Coimbatore. Today I am here to present a CLT on the topic Artificial Intelligence Emergence in Agriculture. Study UN Food and Agricultural Organization estimated that the population will increase by 2 billion by 2050. Only 4% additional land will come under cultivation by them. The main income source of India is an agricultural sector because more than 50% population depend on farming and related works. Hence, agriculture in India is a backbone for Indian economy. So, improve traditional farming into precision or smart farming is needed. Industrial development reaches to fourth level, which is initiated to use this revolution in agricultural sectors on large scale so that it can be effectively utilized to improve the farming yield effectively. And nowadays, agriculture adopting advanced innovative technology for agri-based activities. In this research work, we have discussed how artificial intelligence changed the whole agricultural sectors in the context of business model SWOT pestle analysis of Blue River Technology Company. The study results found that main role of artificial intelligence in agriculture like precision agriculture, machine learning, demand forecasting will play a key role in sustainable Indian agriculture. Now moving on to the defined part. The definition of AI is the ability of a computer or a robot controlled by a computer to do tasks that are usually done by the humans because they require the human intelligence and discernment. AI is meant to be support and accelerate the human decision making, not to replace the humans. AI primarily does this with smart data discovery, example correlations and pattern recognitions, visualization, that is charts, graphs and dashboards, machine learning in the sense system codes itself, and enhanced predictive capabilities. The examples of artificial intelligence in everyday life are digital person's assistants like Siri, online shopping and advertising, cyber security, language translations and detection of fake news. Next, the defined part of artificial intelligence in farming. In agriculture, 21st century AI advancements shows improvements in gaining the yield and to increase the research and development of growing crops. With these advancements, artificial intelligence can predict the time it takes for a crop like tomato to be ripe and ready for picking, thus it increases the efficiency of farming. These advances also include crop and soil monitoring, agricultural robots and predictive analytics. Crop and soil monitoring uses new algorithms and data collected on the field to manage and track the health of the crops, making it easier and more sustainable for the farmers. More specializations of AI in agriculture is one such as greenhouse automation, simulations, modeling and optimization techniques. Now moving on to the ideate and the using of AI in agriculture. The adoption rate of the artificial intelligence in the agriculture industry has changed the overall outcome of farming efforts, with a majority of the startups in agriculture adopting AI-enabled approaches to increase the efficiency of agricultural prediction. Let us dive deep into the future of artificial intelligence in agriculture. First, predicting the weather. IBM weather forecasts sends out alerts in the case of weather disruptions and provide integrated solution to help maximize the yields, minimize the environmental impact and reduces the costs. Second, monitoring the soil and crop in real time. Use case AI based application called Plantix uses the image recognition based technique that helps the farmers to identify nutrient deficiencies in the soil, plant pests and other diseases. Third, drones for the data collection. Precision hawks allow the farmers to virtually walk around their fields with the help of the drones. Fourth, the precision farming. Precision farming is an approach where data inputs are used in precise amounts and achieve maximum crop yields. Farmers with smartphones and AI applications can get a customized plan for this for their lines. They used IoT and AI driven applications. Fifth, AI powered robots. Use case agrobot robots have the ability to operate 24/7, which increases the efficiency, optimizes the cost of the production, or precision to weed, hoe, and harvest. Sixth one is that AI enabled surveillance systems. Plantix app turns your smartphone into a mobile app doctor with which you can accurately detect pests and diseases on the crops within the seconds. It serves as a complete solution for crop production and the management. Next, the schematic diagram of AI in agriculture. The drones and the sensors would collect crop data, seed data, soil data, livestock data, and irrigation water usage data, and it send it to the IoT. Then IoT would collect the temperature prediction, weather prediction, and the crop price prediction, and it would send it to the real-time data to the farmers, so they get benefited. Benefits of artificial intelligence in agriculture. Artificial intelligence in agriculture is a more efficient way to produce, harvest, and sell essential crops. Implementing the artificial intelligence empowered approaches in farming and can help the farmers respond smartly to the climate changes. Artificial intelligence emphasis on checking defective crops, pest identification, further improving crop health and yields. With the artificial intelligence, it is impossible for intruders, wild or domestic animals, and thieves to ruin your harvest. Crop management practices are improved with the help of the technology. Farmers can produce higher crop yield with the better quality by using the fewer resources. Artificial intelligence reduces the labor challenge and automates manual work, accelerating the food transformation. And I conclude by saying that artificial intelligence can be appropriate and efficacious in agricultural sector as it optimizes the resources use and efficiency. It solves the scarcity of resources and labor to a large extent. Adoption of artificial intelligence is quite useful in agriculture. Artificial intelligence can be technological revolution and boom in agriculture to find the increasing population of the world. Artificial intelligence will complement and challenge to a make right decision by farmers. Giving me this wonderful opportunity. Have a great day.